We believe that SourcePath is the type of company that will keep us going forward and keep us competitive.
Until you guys came along, we were very nervous about what was going on in our IT department.
And SourcePath has been working with us for 15 years now. And we started out with just two simple computers connected together directly. And with SourcePath, we've actually grown our network to a network that can actually support an operation in 38 states and in 3 different countries.
They're a real partner in your work. They're thoughtful. A lot of vendors that we work with are very task-oriented, and that's all they are. And with SourcePath, we feel like we have a partner in solving problems, coming up with creative solutions, thinking about issues in a very holistic way.
I think SourcePath has been a real asset to our corporation. Previously, we were unable to coordinate our IT activities.
Well, in 2010, we had a complete meltdown of our system.
I really wasn't sleeping at night. I spent a ton of nights here at the office trying to get things up and running so that we could function.
For years, we had problems with our phone service.
We were trying to maintain our system in-house. That didn't work. We firmed it out. The group we worked with couldn't keep us up.
It failed. And then when it failed, it was a nightmare run. It was just challenging.
SourcePath came in, got us back online immediately. Then they identified what the issues were, where we had shortcomings with our system, recommended ways that we wouldn't ever go down again, and they stepped in and stuck with us and just worked around the clock until they got us back online, got our computers up, and the staff was happy, and we have had great success ever since.
SourcePath is not going to be your usual IT vendor. It's going to be somebody that's going to be more of a partner relationship with you.
They get it. They understand the big picture of our business. And so that enables us to come up with solutions that are sometimes that are just more, that fit more naturally, that work better for us.
It's one of the few suppliers that we really treat as an in-house department versus an outside vendor. Many of my new employees don't even realize it's actually an outsourced service. They think it's part of our staff.
Instantly available.
As soon as there may be any sort of issue that we're having, SourcePath is there to answer our question in a language that even us as attorneys can understand.
We have never had, ever, in 15, 20 years, an issue with getting in touch with any of the folks that we work with at SourcePath. By cell phone, by pager, by email, by text. I mean, but we don't have problems that often, but when we do, they get resolved immediately.
We think that they're a company that can grow with us and one that will provide the kind of services that we'll need in the future.
You provided us terrific service, and it's been a blessing for us as a company.